Hey guys, Joe here from Digital Junkies. I just made this quick video for you because I want to show you how the AI bot works. It's truly revolutionized and completely changed the world, but also digital marketing. So we're kind of at the forefront, we've really embraced it and want to show you how you can train your very own AI in many parts of your business to save you time, to increase conversions, to do quotes, to book appointments, and it does it in such a personal way. You really can't really comprehend how it's really working. So I'm not sure of your level, but if you've played with GPT 3.5, come over to here to open AI.com, play with it. GPT 3.5 is free. We've got the latest GPT4 version, so every time a new version comes out, we're basically paying for that subscription, and we're integrating that into many parts of your website and your sales process. So I just wanted to show you that. I'm using this as an example because we've got the chatbot live here. So it doesn't matter whether it's integrating into this chatbot. Now what we found is if you have a website and you're getting leads from Google or Facebook or something like that, and somebody puts in an inquiry and it goes through to an email. Emails have on average 40% open rate, and if you're taking hours to respond, there's a very good chance you're going to lose that client. If somebody tries to call you for a quote or a chat and you miss that call, and you don't text them back straight away or give them a call back straight away, they're probably in research mode and they're going to probably find another person, get a quote, and there's a very good chance you're going to lose that lead. So people put a really big effort into generating leads through ads, SEO, Facebook, but then when the lead actually comes through to them, many of those leads are just falling through the cracks. So that's why we're so excited about this. Now, this bot here goes instantly into text. Text has a 95% open rate, and to go from an inquiry from text into quote, into appointment booking is 400% more powerful than email or callback or anything else. So this is why if your AI is integrated into this text form, if it's integrated into a quote form on your website, integrated into your Facebook ad. So if somebody fills in your Facebook ad, you want to instantly open that conversation in text so they don't start shopping around, getting other quotes, and booking that person in real time. Doesn't matter if it's 6 o'clock at night, they get booked straight into your calendar or they get a quote, and you're going to be basically their number one on their list of who they're going to decide to go with. So that goes for a Facebook message, Instagram message, WhatsApp message. Basically, we're training the AI bot around all of the questions and answers that you've had, your pricing, your terms, how you work, turn around everything. And then the AI kind of learns through conversation. So the conversation could be in text, in an email, it could be an Instagram message. And I just wanted to show you, so this is an example of a finance company, and somebody's come in here with a text saying, hello, are you looking for finance options? What is it for? It's for a house renovation. Do you do that? So basically saying, yeah, certainly we do that. We do personal loans, we have the best rate. Would you like to book a call and have a chat with someone? This will go and check the calendar for availability. And then it's a whole bunch of conversations. So somebody starts talking about the weather. Here I've made an example, I've been abducted by aliens. So the ChatGPT can understand that that is basically not the right question. It understands kind of sarcasm. It can basically reply saying, no, that's not good, I can't help you with that, but you should probably check with your local authorities. But I can help with a home loan. So you can see the conversation that it's having where it's not getting off track and it's not getting tricked. It's just trying to give the facts back to either a quote or an appointment. So, I can do Friday the 10th. It'll go check the calendar. Friday the 26th of May is available. You are now booked in. And then that'll trigger the whole onboarding. And this can also work for missed calls. Now, many businesses we've spoken to lose tens of thousands of dollars around. They might be busy doing like a pest management, or they might be busy doing like other work. So they miss a call, which is a hot lead. And then that person who called doesn't get a text back or a call back. So this system will start a text conversation with them, and you're not going to lose that lead. Also, in other areas of this platform, if you want to schedule your social media content, this platform will design an image, create the content, and schedule all of your social media channels through AI GPT-4. There's many other areas that we can go into. It can reply to review requests. It can automate so many areas of your marketing, so you can really focus on what you do best. If you want to book in a call, we can go through an exact example in your niche and how we can implement it for you. So I hope that kind of makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know, or if you have any questions for my bot, you can always give them a tip.